Welcome to It's Not Letting Me. This video will give you my top 20 keyboard shortcuts on a Mac. I encourage people to use the mouse as little as possible, which means keyboard shortcuts will help you move so much faster through your work. Think of playing the keyboard like playing a piano. Keep both hands on the keys and you'll be working like a maestro. The first three are copy, cut, and paste. Copy will copy an object from one piece to another. You just highlight the object, Command C, and then Command V will paste it. Cut will remove the object, store it on the clipboard, and then paste will bring it back to wherever you want to put it. There is this imaginary clipboard that exists on your computer, and it stores things when you copy or cut them, and it waits for you to paste them to then put them back. So copy is Command C, cut is Command X, and paste is Command V. If you make a mistake, there's always undo. That's Command Z. If you want to redo it, you can do Command Shift Z and it will redo what you had undoed. So, undo and redo, top 4 and 5. Select all, Command A. It will select everything in the window that you are currently active in. Command Tab will cycle through the windows you have open. You tap Tab and let go of all of them when you've selected the window you want to switch to, and it'll open that application right back up. Command F is Find. In a document or on a website, you can use the Find tool to search for a name or a specific word. Just do Command F, type the word in. You also have the option to find and replace. So if you are writing a short story and the character's name is Johnny, but you decide somewhere through you want to change the character's name to Willie, you just do Command F, type Find Johnny, and replace it with Willie, and then the word Johnny will be replaced with Willie throughout your story. Command B is the shortcut key for bold. On your keyboard, if you hold the Option key and you use the arrows, up and down arrow will jump from paragraph to paragraph. Left and right arrow will jump from word to word. Shift Option up will select everything to the top of that paragraph. Shift Option down will select everything to the bottom of that paragraph. Shift Option left and right will select the whole word that you have going left or right. This is really helpful when you're editing a document, so you don't have to reorient the mouse every single time you get there. Shift left and right will select one letter at a time. Shift up and down will select one line at a time. Shift Option left and right will select a whole word at a time. And Shift Option up and down will select a whole paragraph. Command Spacebar will open up the search bar and let you find apps or documents on your computer. Command S is Save. Command U is Underline. Command I is Italics. Command P is Print. When you're filling out a form on the internet, using Tab will jump from field to field. And Command Q is Quit. So I highly recommend that you really give Option, Shift, and arrows a look, and then start using shortcut keys within that, like Command X, Command V, and your workflow will be so much more efficient. Thanks for tuning in to It's Not Letting Me. Please like and subscribe down below, and let us know what else you'd like to learn about in the comments down below. See you next time. It's not letting me!
Quit saying that.